What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Ash from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing a rectangle in the center page with rounded corners. So I'm going to start at the very top with a straight line from left to right. Now let's round out the ends. Come around and then down towards the side. Come down with a shorter line towards the bottom of a rectangle. Again, we're just going to round out the corners, go across, and then round out the right side. Let's go to the bottom center of that rectangle, draw a straight line going across the mouth. Then we'll curve the mouth. We're going to go up from the left, pull that down in the middle, go up towards the right, and then back down towards the bottom. Now let's split the teeth with 3 lines, one in the middle, and one more on either side. Let's move up above the mouth and draw 2 upside down triangles for the eyes. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of that rectangle going around the eyes and the mouth. Now I'm going to move over towards the left side and layer the shield on top of the head. Let's start on the side of the rectangle. It's going to draw a curve. We're going to add a notch coming in, add a V. Now I want to continue that curve going across and then down toward the left side of our page. From the ends, we're going to bend this down and then in towards the bottom point. Now on the right side, we're going to add a bevel. So we're going to step in, just going to follow that same curve, coming down and tapering out towards the bottom. Let's go to this point, come in, and then angle that down in behind. Now I want to trace the shape along the inside. So we're going to start from the top, curve this across, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a circle in the center. And then in the middle, add a curve for the eyelid. And we'll tuck an oval underneath. Let's add those lines going around the eye. We'll start in the middle with a straight line coming down. Continue across the bottom. Let's go to the side of the eye. Angle this in. Now from the top corners of the shield, angle this down and in behind the eye. And then we want to continue this angle coming down across the bottom. Now with that shield in place, let's move up and draw the top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, at the very top. Draw a straight line going across the center. Come down on either side. Go out with a short line. And we're going to go back up towards the top. Now let's extend this out towards the side of the body, to right about there. Now from here, it's going to round this out on the left and come straight down in behind the shield. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to round this out, come all the way down towards the bottom of the body. Let's round out the corner. Now it's going to go straight across towards the left. And we just want to line this up with the top to right about there. So we're lining this up, round this out, and go up underneath the shield. Let's add some depth to the body. We're going to start from the top left corner, angle this down and out, round this out, and come straight down. Let's go up to this corner, angle this down and out, straight down, and then do that one more time. Now we're going to go to the bottom, draw a straight line going out in behind the shield. Let's add in the legs. We're going to leave a large gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now from the heels, We'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the foot, come in towards the ankle, and it'll follow that same curve going up and then in underneath the body. Let's draw the sword over on the right side. We're going to start with a circle from top to bottom. Add a smaller circle inside. Let's add a curve in the center, and then we'll draw an oval underneath. Let's add the horns along the side. We'll draw a short line going out, bend this up, and then out from the circle. Round at the top of the horn, come down, and then back in towards the side of our circle. Underneath that circle, draw 2 straight lines coming down the handle, and we'll round out the bottom. To add a little bit of texture to the handle, we're going to draw 3 curves from top to bottom. And then along the bottom, we're going to add that skull, so let's curve this around the left side, and then the right. I'm just going to add a little bump across the bottom. Add 2 black dots on either side for the eyes. And then a small triangle along the bottom. Now from the body, we're going to extend the arm going out in behind the handle. So we're going to start with the top, going down and out. Step down, draw that again. And then on the outside, we're just going to draw a small curve for the hand. Now from the center, we're going to go all the way up towards the top, draw a straight line coming all the way down the center of the sword. Go back up to the top, we're just going to bend this out towards the left, and then come straight down. Go back up to the top, bend this out towards the right, and then straight down. Now we're going to add all that detail inside the body. Let's start from the top underneath the shield, draw a straight line coming in to right about there, come down, and then back out. Let's fill this area in black. Let's go back to the side, step down, draw a large circle. And we want to draw a thick plus symbol. So start by flattening off the top, come down and then out towards the sides, come down and in. Let's draw on the bottom. Now from here and move over towards the right, add in the circle. Now let's move down and draw a square in an angle. Start with the top, going up and out, come down the sides, flatten off the bottom. Let's move over, flatten this off, and then we'll add a point going out towards the right and then back in. Now I'm going to add a couple more details across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Ash from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.